Welcome to chemistry classes. In this video we are going to discuss about mole concept. CBSE Grade 9 Chapter 3 Mole concept. Okay. So here first we have to check here one chemical equation 2H2 plus O2 giving 2H2O. See here one chemical equation 2H2 plus O2 giving 2H2O. So here from this equation we can say 2 mole hydrogen reacted with 1 mole oxygen form 2 moles of H2O. Okay, here 2H2, here O2 mean 1 O2 giving 2 H2O. It's mean 2 mole hydrogen reacted with 1 mole oxygen form 2 H2O. Okay, and previous class we discussed atomic mass and I gave you one table, okay, different elements and their atomic mass. I told you you have to remember at least first 20 elements and their atomic number and atomic mass. So we know hydrogen its atomic mass 1, hydrogen atomic mass 1, oxygen atomic mass 16. So here 2 hydrogen, okay, look here, hydrogen atomic mass 1, H2 mean 2 hydrogen, so 2 times 1, so H2 its mass will be 2. Similarly oxygen atomic mass 16, O2 mean 16 times 2, so its mass will be 32. O2 mean it is molecule. So here we can say molecular mass. O2 mean molecular mass and H2 mean atomic mass. Okay, here H2 molecular mass. When you take only hydrogen, its mass is atomic mass. Okay, only you take oxygen and its mass is atomic mass. Okay, if there is 2 atoms combined, so it will be molecule and its mass will be molecular mass. This mass atomic mass and the mass of this 2 and 32 it is molecular mass. Similarly here H2O water molecule. We know mass of hydrogen 1 mass of oxygen 16. So total mass of H2O 1 times 2. Look here, here atomic mass of hydrogen 1, 2 hydrogen over here 1 times 2 plus here oxygen, mass of oxygen 16. How many oxygen here? 1 oxygen, H2O. Here no number, it's mean 1 oxygen. Okay, here 2 hydrogen, here 1 oxygen. So 16 times 1. So answer will be 18. So mass of H2O 18, mass of H2O 18. Okay, so mass of 1 H2O, it is 18. If there is 2 H2O, look here, 2 H2O, so its mass we have to multiply with 2, so it will be 36. Okay, 36. Similarly here mass of H2 is 2. We know mass of H2 is 2. Mass of 2H2 we have to multiply with 2, so its mass will be 4. Clear? Mass of H2 2, mass of 2H2 2 times 2 4. Similarly mass of oxygen, only oxygen atom 16, O2 2 times 16 32. Mass of H2O 2 times 1 plus 16 18. Mass of 2H2O 2 times 18 36. So you can find molecular mass like this. Okay, so from this balanced equation 2H2 plus O2 giving 2H2O, 2 mole hydrogen reacted with 1 mole oxygen form 2 moles of H2O. 2 mole hydrogen, 1 mole oxygen reacted to form 2 moles of H2O. Clear? So after that After that, look here, next line, 4 unified. 4U mean unified mass. Okay, so 4 unified mass of hydrogen reacted with 32 unified mass of oxygen form 36 unified mass of H2O. Okay, here it is 32 unified mass of oxygen. Clear? So look here, 2 times I told you 2H2. 2H2 mean what is the mass? 2H2 mean 4. Okay, similarly look here, 2H2 mean 4. O2, what is the mass of O2? O2 is 32. O2 is 32. That's why here 32U oxygen. Okay, 2H2O. What is the mass of 2H2O? 2H2O is 36. 36. That's why we can say here 4 unified mass of hydrogen reacted with 32 unified mass of oxygen. It formed 36 unified mass of H2O. Okay, so here from this balanced equation we can say different way. Okay, here 2 moles of hydrogen reacted with 1 moles of oxygen. 2 mole of hydrogen reacted with 1 mole of oxygen form 2 moles of H2O. Or we can say 4 unified mass of hydrogen reacted with 32 unified mass of oxygen form 36 unified mass of water. Clear? So here scientists introduced a new term, mole. Okay, so we know usually in normal our daily life we will use different type of unit, mass, gram, kilogram, okay, milligram, this type of unit, meter, kilometer, we will use this type of unit to measure length, mass, etc. So here scientists used a new term, mole. This is another measuring unit, mole. Okay, this is also helps to measure amount of substance, but this amount of substance, it is microscopic. We know atoms, molecules, these are microscopic. It is minute quantity, we cannot see with our naked eye. It needs some equipment to see atoms and molecules, and we cannot measure atoms and molecules in gram, milligram or kilogram, because this is microscopic. It is very small quantity. That's why scientists introduced a new term, that is mole. You understand? Okay, so look here. Here you have to understand more details about mole. Look here. We know hydrogen mass is 1. Okay, H2 mean it is 2. When you take 2 gram hydrogen, 2 gram H2 will be 1 mole. Okay, 2 gram H2, it will be 1 mole. We know oxygen atomic mass 16. Okay, so O2 mean 2 times 16, 32. So when you take 32 gram oxygen molecule, it will be 1 mole. We know H2O, mass of H2O 18. Mass of H2O or molecular mass of H2O. Molecular mass of H2O, it is 18. Okay, so when you take 18 gram H2O, it will be 1 mole. Okay, so here you have to understand 2 gram H2, it is 1 mole. 32 gram O2, it is 1 mole. 36 gram H2O, it is 1 mole. So from this what you can say, 1 mole any substance, 1 mole of any substance mean this substance having a mass equal to its atomic or molecular mass in gram. 1 mole any substance, 1 mole of oxygen or 1 mole of water, 1 mole of anything, its mass will be equal to its atomic mass or molecular mass in gram. You understand? 1 mole of hydrogen mean its mass will be equal to its atomic mass or its molecular mass in gram. 1 mole of H2O, it is equal to it is equal to its molecular mass in gram. 1 mole of H2O mean we know molecular mass of H2O, it is 18. So 18 gram H2O, 18 gram H2O, it is 1 mole. Okay, I will give you some other example. Here carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Carbon, its mass is 12, oxygen 16. So molecular mass of carbon dioxide 12 plus 16 times 2. So it will be 44. So when you take 44 gram, so carbon dioxide, its molecular mass is 44. You take 44 gram carbon dioxide. So it will be 1 mole. Clear? Another example, HCl, hydrogen atomic mass 1, chlorine atomic mass 35.5. So total molecular mass of HCl 35.5 plus 1, 36.5. So you take 36.5 gram HCl, hydrogen chloride. So it will be 1 mole. So 1 mole any substance, 1 mole of atom or 1 mole of molecule mean it will be equal to its atomic mass or molecular mass in gram. Clear? Here we discuss mole. Okay, we know mole is a unit. It helps to measure very small quantity. So here we have to understand 1 mole substance always contain 1 mole of any substance always contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Okay, 1 mole any substance contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. This number is called Avogadro constant. You take 1 mole hydrogen. Imagine you have a container. Okay, you have a container. This container contains 1 mole hydrogen gas. It's mean this is 1 mole. It's mean it contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen particles. Okay, it's mean here this is 1 mole hydrogen gas. Okay, 1 mole H2. So it contains 6.022. Okay, then you have to write here 0.00000 till 20. This is one number. This is very big number. Okay, so 1 mole hydrogen mean it contain 1 mole H2 mean it contain this much atoms. This is experimentally proved. Okay, it is not imaginary concept. It is experimentally proved. Okay, and here 1 mole H2. You take anything 1 mole water, 1 mole H2O. 1 mole H2O it contain this much 6.022 into 10 power 23 water molecule. 1 mole oxygen. 1 mole oxygen also contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Okay, we know 1 dozen mean 12. 1 dozen mean 12 number, right? 1 dozen mean 12 number. Similarly, you have to understand 1 mole mean it contain this much number. 1 mole substance mean it contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. That is 1 mole substance. Okay, and this number is called Avogadro constant. Avogadro constant represented by N0. Okay, Avogadro means scientist Avogadro, a name of one scientist. Okay, and he introduced this constant. That's why we will say here Avogadro constant. Clear? So what is this number? Any substance it contain 1 mole, it always contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particle. Okay, that's why here this number is called Avogadro constant. It represented by N0. Okay, and here we have to understand another thing, molar mass of an atom. I told you before unified mass. I told you before unified mass. Okay, here oxygen atomic mass 16, so it will be 16 unified mass. Okay, 16 unified mass. When you take O2, 16 times 2, so 32 unified mass. Clear? So here atomic mass, this is atomic mass. When you take H2O, we will say when you take H2O, its mass is 18 and this mass is called molecular mass. Okay, molecular mass. So when you take H2O here, U, this is H2O. U, it is the unit of atomic mass or molecular mass. U mean unified mass. This is the unit of atomic mass or molecular mass. Clear? Now you have to understand molar mass of an atom. Molar mass of an atom equal to gram atomic mass. What does it mean? What is the meaning of this? Molar mass of an atom. We know molar mass of an atom means atomic mass. Molar mass of an atom, we can say this is atomic mass. Unit of atomic mass, it is U, unified mass. Okay, so molar mass of an atom equal to gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass means atomic mass in gram. Example for this, look here, when you take the mass of hydrogen, we know mass of hydrogen is 1. Okay, so here according to this we can say 1 U equal to 1 G. What is the meaning of this? 1 U equal to 1 G. Mass of hydrogen atom, it is unified mass. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 1 unified mass equal to 1 G. What is G? G mean mass of hydrogen atom in gram. So mass of hydrogen atom in unified mass equal to mass of hydrogen atom in gram. Okay. So here this is equal because of the digit is equal. 1 U equal to 1 G. What do you mean by 1 U? Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unified mass. Okay, 1 G, atomic mass of hydrogen in gram. Here 1 U equal to 1 G, it is equal, but there is little bit difference. Okay, 1 U means 1 U. What do you mean by 1 U? 1 unified mass hydrogen mean it is mass of 1 hydrogen atom. 1 U mean what? 1 U mean unified mass of hydrogen. Okay, 1 U mean it is mass of only 1 hydrogen atom. You take one piece of hydrogen atom. Okay, so its mass is 1. That is 1 U, 1 unified mass. So unified mass mean mass of 1 atom. Okay, but what is 1 G? 1 gram hydrogen. What is the meaning of 1 gram hydrogen? I discussed with you before, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So when you take 1 gram hydrogen, it will be equal to 1 mole. 1 mole substance, 1 mole atom equal to mass of that atom in gram. I told you before, 1 gram hydrogen equal to 1 mole hydrogen. Atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 16 gram 16 gram oxygen equal to 1 mole oxygen. Molecular mass of H2O 18. Molecular mass of H2O 18. So 18 gram H2O. 18 gram H2O. It will be 1 mole H2O. Okay. So here you understand one unified hydrogen. One unified mass of hydrogen mean it is mass of one atom. 1 gram hydrogen mean it is 1 mole hydrogen. What do you mean by 1 mole hydrogen? 1 mole hydrogen mean it contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. 1 mole. I told you here 1 mole any substance contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms or 23 molecules. Okay, this is a big number 6022, then you have to put 20 0, so this is a big number. Okay, very big number. So when you take 1 gram hydrogen, it contain 1 gram hydrogen mean it is 1 mole hydrogen and it contain this much number of atoms. Okay, so this is the basic difference between 1U and 1G. 1U mean it is mass of one atom. 1U hydrogen mean it contain only one hydrogen atom. 1G hydrogen mean it is 1 mole hydrogen and it contain this much number of atoms. Not one atom, many atoms, this much number of atom. Okay, so here we discuss molar mass of an atom equal to gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Okay, and we discuss with hydrogen. Similar way we can say this is atom. Okay, same thing we can explain with molecule. Here we can say molar mass of a molecule. Molar mass of one molecule in unified mass equal to molar mass of molecule in gram. Molar mass of a molecule in unified mass equal to molar mass of molecule in gram. Example H2O. 18U equal to 18G. This is equal only this digit. 18 is equal. Okay, 18U 18G in digit it is equal. We discuss here 1U mean this is mass of only one atom. Okay, 1G mean there is not one atom, this is 1 mole and it contains this much number of atoms. Similar thing we can explain here also. 18U equal to 18G. Look here, 18 unified mass of water mean it is 1 molecule of hydrogen. Sorry, 1 molecule of water. Okay, 18U unified mass mean it is mass of atom or molecule. Okay, unified mass of 18U water mean mass of one water molecule. 18U water mean there is only one water, there is only one H2O, but 18 gram H2O, but 18 gram H2O mean it is 1 mole water. 1 mole water mean it contains 6.022 into 23 molecules. Okay, there is big number water molecule. So 18U equal to 18G, only in digit it is equal. 18U mean it is mass of one water molecule. 18G mean it is 1 mole of water molecule. 1 mole water molecule mean it contain large number of water molecule. 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles will be there. Okay, next one we have to discuss here some calculation based on mole concept. Okay, so here we have a problem here. Calculate the mass of the following. Calculate mass of the following. Okay, so here first one we have to calculate the mass of 0.5 moles of nitrogen. Calculate mass of 0.5 moles of nitrogen. So here you have to remember this equation. Number of moles is equal to mass, given mass divided by molar mass. You have to remember this equation. Okay, number of mole equal to mass divided by molar mass. Okay, you want to calculate mole, so given mass divided by molar mass. What does this mean? Given mass divided by molar mass. For example, you have 2 gram oxygen molecule. 2 gram oxygen molecule. So here given mass is represented by M and molar mass represented by capital letter, and the number of moles represented by small letter m. Number of moles is equal to small letter m divided by capital letter M. Here 2 gram oxygen. So this is given mass. Small letter m, given mass is equal to 2. Okay, and here molar mass, capital letter M, molar mass. We know here oxygen atomic number 16. Oxygen atomic number 16. 2 oxygen atom there. So here oxygen 16 times 2, 32. So this is molar mass. Molar mass of oxygen. Molar mass of oxygen 32. Molar mass of H2O 18. Molar mass of H2 2. So you can find molar mass like this. Okay. So look here, number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. So here the question asking calculate mass. So mass, this is mass. Given mass is equal to, rearrange the equation. Mass will be equal to, bring this over here. So number of moles times molar mass. Okay. So you can calculate like this. Mass is equal to number of moles times molar mass. So let us check here. First one, calculate the mass of 0.5 moles of N2. So you have to calculate here mass. Mass is equal to number of moles times molar mass. What is number of moles? 0.5. 0.5 times molar mass of nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number 14. Okay, here N2. N2 means 14 times 2. So it will be 28. Molar mass of nitrogen, it will be 28. 0.5 times 28. So answer will be 14. Mass, the unit of mass is gram. So 14 gram. This is the answer. Clear? Here next question, calculate mass of calculate mass of nitrogen atom. Calculate, here it is N2, but here look here, this is nitrogen N. Here not N2, N atom. Also here number of moles not given, but it given 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. This is the number of atoms. Okay, number of atoms are given. Number of atoms are here 3.011 into 10 power 23. We know 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms are 1 mole. We know 6.022 into 10 power 23 atom means it is 1 mole. But here it is given 3.011. So when you divide this with 2, you will get 3.011 into 10 power 23. Okay, so this is it's half this one. 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by 2, it is 3.011 into 10 power 23. So here 6.022 into 10 power 23 is 1 mole. Okay, its half value is this one, so it will be half mole. Okay, half means 0.5. So here you understand 3.011 into 10 power 23 mean it will be 0.5 mole. Okay, so the question asking calculate the mass of 0.5 moles of nitrogen atom. So here also you can use same equation. Mass is equal to number of moles. What is the number of moles? 0.5 time. Here I told you here N2. So you have to do 14 times 2. That's why here it is 28. Here it is only N, not N2. So you have to multiply with 14, not 28, because here not N2. So only 14 enough here. 0.5 times 14. So the answer will be 7 gram. 7 gram. Okay, this is the mass of nitrogen atom. Okay, now third one, calculate mass of N2. Calculate mass of N2. Here 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, here number of nitrogen molecules are given this much. So we know any substance it contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 mean it is 1 mole. I told you before this is half of this one, so it will be 0.5 mole. Here it is complete number, so it will be 1 mole. Now you can find the answer here. Mass is equal to number of moles. Number of moles is 1 times molar mass. Here it is again N2. So 14 times 2, it will be 28. So mass is 1 times 28. So 28 gram. So this is the answer. So here answer is the first answer 14 gram, 7 gram, third one it is 28 gram. So you can solve it like this. Clear? Okay, next problem here. We have to calculate number of particles. You have to calculate number of particles. How many particles, how many atoms or how many molecules you have to calculate. That is number of particles. To calculate number of atoms or to calculate number of molecules. Okay, number of atoms or number of molecules, or generally we can say number of particles. Okay, to calculate this we have equation given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass divided by molar mass times Avogadro constant. Okay, so here given mass I told you before 2 gram O2. So given mass is here 2, molar mass is here 32. I told you before, that is given mass and molar mass. So to calculate number of particles you can use here number of atoms divided by molar mass. To calculate number of atoms, given mass divided by molar mass times Avogadro constant. Avogadro constant. What is Avogadro constant? 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, that is Avogadro constant. We know given mass divided by molar mass, m divided by m mean it is number of moles. We calculated previous question. So here we can, instead of this one we can use here n. Okay, so here to calculate number of particles, number of moles times Avogadro constant, or you can say given mass divided by molar mass times Avogadro constant. This is the equation to calculate number of particles. Based on this we have some question here. Calculate number of particles in 14 gram sodium atom. So let us check here how to solve this. Okay, so here answers first one. Here you want to calculate number of atoms in 14 gram sodium atom. So let us write the equation first. What is the equation here? Given mass divided by molar mass times Avogadro constant. What is the given mass? Given mass is 46. 46 divided by, what is the molar mass of sodium? You can check your table. You can find molar mass of sodium. It is 23. Okay, so 46 divided by 23 times 6.022 into 10 power 23. So when you solve this, it will be 2 over here. So final answer will be here 2 times 6, it will be 12.044 into 10 power 23. Okay, this will be the answer, 12.044 into 10 power 23. This is the answer. Clear? Here, let us check here. Second question, 8-gram oxygen molecule. You want to find number of particles in 8-gram oxygen molecule. Same equation. Mass over molar mass into Avogadro constant. So what is the given mass? Given mass is 8. 8 divided by, what is the molar mass? Oxygen is 16. Here 2 O2. So 2 times 16. So it will be 32 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, so when you solve this, here it will be 4. 1 by 4 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. When you solve this, final answer you will get 1.51 into 10 power 23. This is the final answer. Okay, let us check here. Third problem here. Third question asking, calculate number of particles in 0.5 moles of carbon atom. Here it was given mass. Now here look, this is different. Here calculate number of atoms in 0.1 mole carbon atom. 0.1 mole carbon atom. We know mass over molar mass, that is mole. So its answer directly given over here. So we can use this equation directly. Number of particles equal to number of moles times Avogadro constant. Number of moles is 0.1 times Avogadro constant, 6.022 into 10 power 23. So final answer will be, when you solve this, okay, here 6.022 into 10 power 22 will be the final answer. 0.1. So you have to change this value. So it will be 22. So final answer you will get this. This is the final answer. Clear? So you can solve this type of question like this. You can check your textbook and find, try to solve maximum problems. Okay. And you can ask your doubts. Okay, so these are the things we have to discuss in this video. So thank you for watching this channel.